Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game for free on PC via Steam launcher. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Sonic Racing CrossWorlds and then click on this Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. Scroll down and here you will see play Sonic Racing CrossWorlds, play for free until 4th of May. And here you will see the play game button. So click on play game button. And here you will see Sonic Racing CrossWorlds and the size is 17.17 GB. So click on install. Read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. And then go to library. And here you can see Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following this step you can also download and install Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game for free until 4th of May 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.